Hello and welcome to Your Portuguese. Not long ago, I made a video about how to wish a Merry Christmas in Portuguese. Have you watched it? If not, make sure to check it out and maybe you can still have a chance to learn and use it this year. But if not, you will know how to do it next year. As we are approaching the end of this year, a lot of people in many places in the world celebrate the New Year, and that's not different in Brazil. So do you know how to wish a Happy New Year in Portuguese? If not, stay tuned to this video and you won't leave it without knowing it. So today, I'm going to teach you how to wish a Happy New Year in Portuguese. To start, we usually say Feliz Ano Novo. Feliz Ano Novo, which means Happy New Year. That's the most common way to say Happy New Year in Portuguese. But there are other ways as well. But before we continue, do you know who is responsible for the growth of this channel? Yes, exactly. You. I make these videos about the Portuguese language and about the Brazilian culture because I believe that they will help you and that you will have a good time watching them. So, if you have enjoyed this video so far, I'd like to ask you to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. That will help us a lot, not only to grow the channel, but also to keep making good and fun videos especially for you. Thank you so much, and let's go back to the video. Te desejo feliz ano novo. Te desejo feliz ano novo, which means I wish you a happy new year. Que você tenha ano próspero. Que você tenha ano próspero, which means may you have a prosperous year. Que o ano novo seja repleto de paz, amor e saúde. Que o ano novo seja repleto de paz, amor e saúde, which means may the new year be filled with peace, love, and health. There's not a right or wrong way to wish a Happy New Year in Portuguese. You can pick any of these and tell your beloved friend or partner or whoever you know that speaks Portuguese that you wish them a Happy New Year. I'm sure they are going to love it. Before we continue, have you already checked your free PDF sheets with different vocabulary lessons in Portuguese? If not, do it after this lesson. The link is in the description. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Have you ever wondered how we celebrate the New Year in Brazil? Would you like to know it? Tell me in the comments and I will gladly make a video about it in future. I hope this video helped you. Muito obrigado e até mais. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn more Portuguese, make sure to check other videos in the channel I have made especially for you. Até mais!